Howdy everyone, this is Graham Bynum with Uptown 101, and this is my channel, Best House Apartments. I'm at the Alexan at the Galleria, and I'm about to walk in. This is so cute, y'all. This is really adorable. You've got a great, huge king bed in here. This is the master bedroom. It's so big. They've got a little kind of 3/4 accent wall. It's super fun. It's really well lighted in here. It feels really welcoming, really nice. Really good colors in here too. This is the bathroom. Love this bathroom. Look at that beautiful, huge walk-in shower that's there. That's just adorable. And then look at this dual sink. Very nice. Just so well lighted. So pretty. Really like the colors in here a lot. The closet looks like this. Super nice closet. Super pretty, lots of shelf space, and it's definitely a walk-in. So this is the master. We're gonna go to the second one. So this is gonna be a great option for roommates. By the way, so reminder, looks like this out here, this out here. We saw that in the previous video. And now let's go into the second bedroom. The second bedroom looks like this. So, wow, okay, really great window there. Similar, really nice look and feel in here too. Kind of a 3/4 wall in here too, as far as accent. Good space in here. I think this is a double bed actually in here. So, really nice space over there too. And then now this closet is a little smaller. So with the roommates, you need to work that out, because this is it's a bit smaller. So it's still a walk-in. It's just a tad smaller, a little bit smaller. And then here is the second bathroom. The bathroom, this is also the one guests would use. So it's super cute too. Like it a lot. Really light colors, really nice. This has a tub shower combination in it. So really cool. Hey, we're back out here in the kitchen area. I love this apartment. I would recommend to tour it. The easiest way to do that is to do a virtual tour. That means a live virtual tour. Someone that we set up for you will do a virtual live tour for you and get you just a wonderful live shot of the exact apartments that you could move into, or something very similar. And it would be like this, but tailored to you. So if you're ready to set that up, or if you want to come in town and see it in person, either one, hey, send me a text. My number is below.